A big part of my role as a solutions engineer is not only to build, but to understand. I'm Stephanie Anani, a solutions engineer, and this is OpenAI on OpenAI. One thing our customers want to know is how our technology can improve the experiences of their customers. I will ask Codex to go on Trustpilot reviews for the customer, and we'll get a whole bunch of analysis of what their customers are saying about them. I'll then use Codex to mock up a customer website and show them how easy it is to make some of these changes that their customers are asking for in the context of their website. Customers really love that because you're really taking their specific challenges, their specific problems, and showing how the technology is delivering on that with ease. When I'm working with Codex, sometimes we have these light bulb moments where Codex executes something so perfectly well. Skills are a great way for me to capture that moment and have it as part of my ongoing workflows. Whoever you are, whatever you do, however you like to think, Codex can be a partner in every sort of context for you.